Familiarize yourself with the 2013 Audi A8. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of an Audi are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, power front seats, remote keyless entry, and more. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.